what's up guys, welcome to my channel DJ Kid. In today's video we're going to take a look at the market as a whole and just take a look at a few coins that I've got on my radar, that I'm accumulating, that I'm buying at the moment, and just kind of see where the market's playing out really. If we take a look at CoinGecko to start off with, so currently the market's at 1 trillion in terms of global current market cap. So that's down 0.6% in the last 24 hours. We can see Bitcoin's down 1.4%, ETH is down 1.6%, currently trading at 1563. And yeah, a lot of the coins at the moment seem to be red. Obviously Dogecoin is pumping off the back end of Elon Musk purchasing Twitter, and BNB seems to be up at the moment as well, 3.5%, so looking good there. But a lot of the other coins at the moment seem to be kind of red in the market, especially those kind of top 10 coins that we're looking at the top there. If we take a look at the fear and greed index, so currently we're trading at fear. So obviously a week and a month ago we were at extreme fear, so that's kind of eased up at the moment. Obviously the way we want to be playing the market is purchasing when there's extreme fear or fear in the market, and obviously selling when there's extreme greed. And if you were to play that tactic, that pretty much will bring in profits. I mean, it's worked for me in the past, and I'm sure it will play out well, even just following that tactic alone. So yeah, in terms of the charts, if we take a look at Bitcoin USDT on the daily, so just a quick update here. So you can see we broke the 50-day moving average. We broke that a few days ago actually. So currently the longer term trend is downwards, and we broke out of that trend line. So that's obviously good for crypto, for Bitcoin as a whole. So we're currently hitting a level of resistance which is around 21,105, and we really need to break that area. So once we break that area, we can then continue momentum to the upside. However, I think we'll probably end up coming down maybe a little bit, potentially close to that 50 EMA again, and then looking to go up from there. But yeah, that next key level is 21, well, what is it, 21,100 roughly, call it that. If we can break that key level, we can continue momentum up to the upside and potentially hit that 22.8, I guess, in the shorter term if we do break that trend, and then continue our way up to the 200-day moving average, which is roughly at, what is that, so that's 25 grand. So yeah, short term need to move upwards. I think we'll probably have a little bit of a retracement and then start sliding up again from there. But yeah, that's pretty much how the market's looking at the moment. We need to continue to be trading above that 50 EMA at least, and yeah, bouncing around this region to hopefully then spike upwards from there. Take a look at Ethereum. Again, Ethereum on the daily, so we can see the again the 50-day moving average was broken quite considerably, and you can see here the longer term, well, the kind of longer term trend. I mean, the couple of month trend was obviously going down. Longer term trend is going down, as you can see from the moving averages. But if we take a look at the Fibonacci, so retracement wise, we need to we hit what was that level? So we hit the 0.5 level, and yeah, so let me just pull that in. I can't even try and read that. Yeah, so we hit the 0.5 level, which was pretty much here, and then we bounced back down from there. So it looks like the last few days we've been kind of bouncing around on an upwards trend. So you can see that here. Next key level of resistance is going to be the next key level that we need to break is 1665. Hopefully we can break that and then continue up to the 0.618, which is the golden ratio for the Fibonacci. So hopefully we can hit that level there, the 0.618, and that you can see also is a kind of level of resistance in the past as well. So that would mean Ethereum will be trading at 1.7k if we can continue that trend upwards. And I'm pretty sure, I think this is a slight pullback today, but I'm pretty sure we'll continue with the upwards momentum. especially maybe in the next week or so. Well, in this week, and then yeah, after that we may see a little bit of a retracement. But definitely this week, next week, I'm thinking we'll probably end up raising or rising up again towards these support levels and potentially continuing on to that 1.7k. Yeah, so I mean, charts looking good. This trend upwards just here, just on its own, looks pretty nice. So yeah, we need to kind of just continue on that momentum, maybe reach up to that 0.618 as I was saying, the 1.7k that is, and then potentially, you know, we can move even higher and hit that the 200-day moving average, which was around 1764. So yeah, that's what I'm seeing from Ethereum at the moment. If we take a look at Solana, so again on the daily, we've only just kind of broken trend for the 50 EMA, fib retracement. Just looking at this tool, we still need to kind of hit key level. That key level is the 0.382, which will mean that Solana, will be trading at $35. So currently we're still above that 50 EMA, but we need to continue towards the upside and hit that $35. We'll probably end up, you know, as you can see here, we've come back down and hit that kind of the 50 EMA as a support level. So that's good as long as we don't go below that, because if we do, then you know we could end up back down to like $28 or so. But if we stay above that level, I'm hoping we can make that move up towards the $35 mark in the first instance, and then potentially even higher than that as well. So yeah, that's my kind of view of the market so far, just on what's been happening, and really just looking at Bitcoin, Ethereum and Solana. I've also got NEAR here as well, which I was looking at. So at the moment we're currently trading off on the daily, that is, we're trading off on the 50 EMA, massively below the 200 EMA, and yeah, but we can see just within this kind of time period here from 20th of October, we've been slowly, steadily kind of moving upwards. So if I just put in let's just put this in here, so you can see we've been kind of following this little momentum, just bouncing around there. So yeah, hopefully we can continue bouncing up and down there, and potentially move into that $3.40 mark in the first instance, which doesn't look like a lot, to be honest, but it will mean that we break a key level, which is the 50 EMA. So once we start then trading above that again, then we can look at the other levels above. So yeah, it looks good all round. I mean, yeah, a bit of a pullback today in terms of the overall day. I know it is a little bit of a red market at the moment, but yeah, I'm hoping that's just a kind of short-term retracement, and we can continue upwards from tomorrow and potentially the next days after that as well. But yeah, as I was kind of saying, the first, you know, my kind of view is that this week we'll probably end up going up, and I definitely suspect that we will see a leg down again at some point. I don't really think it will be this week or potentially next week, as we've got the midterm elections coming up, and the FOMC meeting as well. So really depends what the kind of announcement is, or what the I guess what the sentiment is from the FOMC meeting, and yeah, we'll see how the market plays out from there. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. It was just a quick update today. Just wanted to take a look at a few charts, and obviously just review the market as a whole. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, and I will catch you in the next video. Thanks a lot.